Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Of course, I'm favorite Nordstrom beauty stylist, and today I bring you the best eyebrow product 2023, and it's from the ESTÉE Lauder. It's $32, and you have 3 items in this eyebrow pencil. Yes, you have a small tiny pencil here. Then let me open for you. You have a powder here. I love this powder. It's very soft. It's give you like this blurry effect. And then you have eyebrow gel, and I like it. It's not like a sticky one. It's not will make your eyebrows look heavy. And look at my brow. One and another one. I will show you how I use this product, but it's $32 for 3 items. It's insane. And look at how beautiful packaging looking. Of course, classic color, Estée Lauder, and it says here BrowPerfect 3D pencil. Again, I love this, $32. It's a very, I think for 3 products in one, it's pretty cheap, and it's made in Japan. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, comments below, and if you not yet know who I am, I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist. I don't work for any brand. I teach women how to look young, beautiful, stylish. Oh, by the way, check out my earrings. I love them. They looks like a gold and diamond, but this is actually Nordstrom brand, and I really like them, and they only $25. Yeah, I know I look a little bit funny because one it's eyebrow I done and another I'm not, and I think you see huge difference, right? Okay, let me show you how you create this look. My first step, I'm gonna use just clean spoolie comb my brow. It's my first step. Then I'm gonna use a pencil, which one we have here, white pencil, because I just wanna make like a little mark where is my eyebrows start. This is corner of my nose, and this is where is my eyebrows start. And my color, which one I'm using right now, it's come on, what's the name for the color? I think it's a medium, oh, brunette 08. It's not as darker color, it's actually soft brown. Then this is its corner of my nose, and I know this is where I'm gonna my eyebrow should start. I'm not gonna make like exactly where I want to have my basically eye lift. Even it should be, we can measure, it should be right there, but my eyebrows, it's too different. And all what I'm gonna do right now, using my little powder, I'm gonna feel my eyebrows first. And you can see how natural, how just this one powder already make a huge difference, right? I love this product. I think it's very easy and very natural. Then I will have again clean spoolie, and I will just little bit spread this color. And my color, which one I use, it's color brunette. Now I'm gonna little bit make like a steps, little bit like strokes underneath, and you can see I'm just very gentle actually using this pencil. And I knew I want a little bit more right here in the front. And on front, you should eyebrows always looks a little bit softer, and we're gonna soft later on. Okay, this is, I'm serious, will make a huge difference, will give you nice beautiful frame, will lift your eye, and you will look way more younger. You saw before and after. Right now what I'm gonna do one more time, just gonna go with clean spoolie, and you can come to Nordstrom and I give you as many you want for free. And now we're gonna use this clear gel, and I love this clear brow gel. It's not so sticky, but it's have enough this, I will say, glue to make your eyebrows looks beautiful. Voila, look at one eye and another eye. Look at this huge difference. No one woman not beautiful. We're all beautiful and gorgeous. You just need a help from Katerina beauty stylist. And then, believe me not, what I like to do, some people using concealer, some using like some brightener. I'm gonna use a nude. Where is my nude pencil? Let me find. And now I have nude pencil, and I like to use very little right here under my brow, and it's matte, it's not shimmer, it just will give me this extra lift. I have a little bit brush, and I'm just gonna slightly soft this pencil. Also, one more step I need to do. This is my brow natural, little bit higher than this. Yes, I feel my brows underneath, but then with little bit pencil, I am very softly applying on top, sorry, my brows, and you can see now it's basically my arch the same. Now one more time I'm gonna use a little bit spoolie to make softer this pencil, and then I am gonna use my clear brow gel, absolutely in love, and will make my eyebrows lifted, very soft looking, and it just not will, when this product in 1 minute will dry, will not feel like you have some product on your brows. It's not sticky, it's not gluey, like it don't look like you have anything on your brows. But look at this one eye and another, it's a huge difference. Pop my eyes, make me younger, and again it's so natural. Voila, it's nice pop, it looks very natural. It's like makeup, no makeup, sorry. And I know a lot of you gonna ask me, Katerina, what do you have on your lips? And I have, it's a Sicily lip product, it's number 19, and let me check color name. This is it, the colors number 19, and it's a Fita Lip Twist. Again, love this color a lot. But we are finishing this video. I'm gonna link below these products, but no one, again, woman not pretty. We're all beautiful and gorgeous. You just need to know this little technique, and it's not complicated, and I like it. It's not sticky, you don't feel any heavy product like you're wearing on your brow. I'm so happy with this product. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, comment below, and I hope to see you in Nordstrom Tampa.